Get ready for the wildest rodent in the West, the capybara. What's so wild about him, you ask? Let's rustle up the top 5 unusual behaviors. 1. Capybaras are water babies. These critters love swimming and diving. 2. They're herbivores with a hearty appetite. Capybaras chomp on aquatic plants, grasses, and fruits all day long. 3. Capybaras are social butterflies. They live in large groups called herds. They're like one big happy posse. 4. They're toothsome creatures. Capybaras got teeth that never stop growing. They gotta keep gnawing to keep them trimmed. 5. Capybaras can hold their breath. They can stay underwater for up to 5 minutes. There you have it. Which fact made you go, oh? Let us know in the comments.